What's going on, guys? This is our lightweight text editor. Super lightweight, hyper lightweight. Let's read the metrics. Read all of this. This is our specs. Pause and read. Pause and read. Super lightweight text editor. This is a framework meant to be upgraded. This is a software framework meant to be upgraded, improved, developed, modified, and yeah. And it's also hardware ready to be put onto hardware. Our application size is 99.9% smaller. Active memory footprint 90 to 95% smaller. And the saved output file is 99.4% smaller than your typical. I like rock music. Cool. That's it, our text editor. This is a Python project to do. This is Python programming. This is a Python project you can do. Beginner and advanced alike. Python project, Python programming. What you can do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.